What is up, guys? Jerry here with another vlog. We got the boy, we got the boy in the background. Okay, what are we doing today? Today,
Moving cars.
we're gonna move the CRX. You guys haven't seen the CRX yet, and I just want to tell you, it's a project car. It might look rough. It might look rough right now, but give it a minute. Give it a few.
It's a beater.
It's not a beater because I'm gonna fix it up, but it's gonna be looking good when I'm done. Yeah. So this is the CRX. It's a 1990 CRX. It's not an SI or anything. It's just a normal CRX, and the motor has rod knock. So we're gonna probably put like a K series in it or like a B20 or something like that. And yeah, right now what we gotta do is load it up on the dolly and take it down to the shop. Yeah? Yeah? Yes? Okay. Amps. Here, you wanna take this one? Oh, alright. Alright, take it. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh, this dude's gotta run him over. Oh, let me get through. Oh. Alright, so let's see what we can do. Is that good? Guys, I paid $400 for this thing. With a clean title and everything. Put it more in the center. Like bring it more, yeah. And bring it more closer, yeah. Okay, now we need to go hook the truck up to the dolly and load it up. Let's go do that.
It's gonna be tiring.
I know, but we ate already. Alright, so we got it hooked up. Now what?
We gotta put the shit up here.
Come on, we gonna have to do it. This nigga leg about to fall off. Alright, get the ramp straight. And then let's see what we can do. So we tried pushing it, right? I mean, it's not that heavy, but it kind of rolled back because we're on a hill. And now it's hard as fuck to push it because it's up a hill. And you know, hold on, wait, I need to put this back. I need to open the hood first on this. Okay, let me see. Make sure black goes on black and red goes on red. Nigga gonna blow me up.
If we fuck up, this shit's gonna fire us on.
Okay. Is it long enough?
Yeah.
Here, grab the camera. These are bikes, I think. I really need to see. Let's see if this shit's starts.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I got rod knock. Oh wait, he already said that.
Okay, let's see if we can actually get it up on the ramps. I think I have it wrong.
that we'll ever be. Pieces of a life forevermore. Find the light for me.
We got the CRX loaded, and this man's, you about to fall asleep? You think, well, I don't know what he's looking at, but yeah, we got it loaded. Got it loaded onto the dolly. Now we gotta take it to the shop. Let's get it going.
Up to the shop now, guys. We have it hooked up.
I can vlog.
We gotta.
Okay, guys,
early
so
age.
we made it. We made it to the shop. Now we gotta go open the shop and unload the car. And yeah, let me just get the keys real quick. You guys know we got the Mercedes in here.
It's not too hot.
You need to get a fan, bro.
But it's good there. It's good, right?
Mm. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Mercedes still here. Mercedes. The Mercedes still here. Oh my goodness.
Okay. So now we're just gonna unload the CRX and we'll get right back with you guys.
That's the car.
We got it in, and now we got a Mercedes and a CRX. So tomorrow what we're gonna do is try to see what can we do about this motor. See if we can take it out, take the trans out, the motor. We gotta get rid of the automatic. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's automatic. We're gonna make it a 5-speed or either a 6-speed manual from an RSX. And we're gonna either do a K20 or a K24. I'm not sure yet. We gotta go look for a motor, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated about that. And yeah, we're gonna start heading home, and I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. Peace.